Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1997 Toyota Liteace Noah. It comes with 43,973 original miles. It is powered by the reliable 3SFE 2.0 liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. This Liteace is also 4-wheel drive. It does come with 2 doors, along with 1 rear sliding door and 1 rear hatch. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. Alright, as y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know that they are not punched out. They also do go away. This vehicle does come in kilometers. That number you're looking right there, 70,769. That is the kilometers. The miles again is 43,973. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Driving to savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can give us a call at 423-716-2161. We'd love to answer any questions that y'all may have. I would like to tell y'all that we really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you for the continual support. It really does mean a lot to us. I pray y'all have a blessed and safe day.